Global Industrial Model 641410 Auto Floor Scrubber Quick Start Guide. This video guide will help get your floor scrubber set up and running quickly. Review the complete instruction manual included with your floor scrubber. Cut away the plastic wrapping and poly banding from the outer carton. Remove staples at base and lift the carton over the floor scrubber. Remove plastic wrap and poly strapping from the machine. Open the collection tank and remove instructions, keys, and hardware pack. Install the control handle in place using the included hardware. Remove the wood chocks and wheel strapping on both sides. Lower the built-in pallet ramp and check for clearance prior to machine roll-off. Lift the rear handle to raise squeegee assembly. Pull the control handle down to raise the head assembly. Carefully roll the floor scrubber off the shipping pallet and down the ramp. Loosen both black knobs on the squeegee assembly and place at the rear of the machine. Align the knobs with the slots on the machine to install squeegee assembly. Once installed, tighten both knobs and connect the vacuum hose to the center. Remove the power cord from the solution tank body. Test the GFCI breaker by first pressing the reset button, the test button, and then the reset button once again. Install the correct type of scrubbing pad based on your floor care and scrubbing needs. Scrubbing pads and brushes are sold separately. Place the pad driver with installed pad under the head assembly. Line up the 3 studs on the pad driver with the holes on the driver plate. Lower the head assembly and slightly rock the machine to set the pad driver. Insert the key and turn the machine on. Press the brush button to engage the motor and lock in the pad driver. Once pad driver is locked in, press the brush button again to shut off. Remove the cap and fill the water tank with clean water and the proper cleaning solution. Check the water level gauge to avoid overfilling. Turn the yellow water valve to the horizontal open position to allow water flow. Lower the squeegee to the floor by lowering the rear squeegee handle. Activate the vacuum and brush by pressing both buttons on the control handle. Your auto floor scrubber is now prepared and ready for operation.